Hello friends, my project name is Just Look Face Recognition System. It's a system software for me because I am going to embed this my project in the OS and I will use my project to log in my PC for authentication purpose. There are many softwares are available on net. We can download it. There are key lemon software that we can download it and we can use this software for login our PC. But my aim is to make my own project, own software and use that software for login the PC. I made this software in C++ for that purpose only, because if I made this software in C++ then it's easy for me to embed this project in the OS. I made this software in the C++, so it's also easy for robotics people. Those are interested in robotics, they can also embed this project easily in their robots and they can give the feature in robots for face recognition. My face recognition systems software project name is Just Look Face Recognition System. It's totally made in the C++ language. If you apply some GUI to my project, then you can use it for many applications such as time attendance system, visitor management, access control, like that many applications are there. But for this application I use the OpenCV library, which is made by the Intel. It has some functions, methods, those are make me easy to make this project. So to execute my project, you have to install OpenCV library to your system. Now we will check how to install the software those are required for my project, how to configure my project with those libraries, and how to execute my project, how my software works. Okay. Now here are the softwares required for my project. This is OpenCV 2.1. It's a library which is made by the Intel. This library only make me easy to make my project. So you have to install this software to your system. You can configure this face recognition project in Visual Studio 2008 also. We have to check this option that add OpenCV to the system path for all users. If you do not choose this option, then your project will not work. Installation is completed. Now I am using DevCpp compiler to executing this project. We can use Visual Studio 2008. Before only I said to you that you can use Visual Studio 2008 also, but I am using DevCpp compiler, DevCpp 4.9.9.2 setup. I use DevCpp compiler because in this software we can easily configure our project with the OpenCV library. If we use Visual Studio 2008 or 2010, there are many configurations are there. Those are very tedious to remember. So DevCpp is easy to configure my project to OpenCV library. So I am using DevCpp. Now DevCpp installation will start in few minutes. the DevCpp software is installing. Installation is completed. Now this DevCpp is completely installed. Now we will load my project. So go to file, open project or a file, then open .dev file. It's a DevC++ compiler. So which application made in this software, we get .dev file. It's a main file. This is the source code. And this is the .dev file. This .dev is the main file for DevC++ software. When I load this DevC++ software, I got these three: one CPP file, second CPP file, and .h file. This is a header file which I required to make my project, and this is the main CPP file. It contains all the main coding. This main.cpp file code is of 1907 lines. Only one CPP file. It's a main file. Now we will compile it first. No, after compiling it's giving the error. Means there are some problems because we didn't configure yet. Before only I told you that you have to configure your project with OpenCV. So for configuration we have to click on project, then project option, go to directories, select in library directories OpenCV's lib folder path is there or not. In include libraries, OpenCV's include path is there or not. In the resource, OpenCV's source file path is available or not. Check it. If those are available, then no problem. Go to besides tab, that is parameters. There are three parameters are there: compiler, C++ compiler, and linker. In linker we have to clean all the linkers. Then we have to add library or object. In this we have to add this dev OpenCV's lib folders, all the library files. Now we make this step. By this step what happened, that our this main CPP file contains those methods of a face recognition. Those are linked with the libraries, OpenCV library files. Now that is, our software is linked with the OpenCV library. Now press OK. Now we will compile our software. So status is done, no error is there. Now our compilation process is completed. Our software is without error, means executing. Now we will run our software. Software is running. See, this is my main look of my project. I didn't given the GUI because I am going to embed this project for my OS, so I didn't give the look to my project. But if you want to give the apply the GUI to this project, you can give it. Now this is the main window of my project, that is just look face recognition system. Now we will authenticate first. there are these menus are there that we can add new user, authenticate, we can view record, help and exit. Main is these two, new user and authenticate. By using this menu, new user, we can add new user to our account, to our system. Means database will be created of a new user. And authenticate means that authentication will be taken place, that if user is added, then he will be recognized that he is a so and so person, like this. Now in this system my face is not stored, so we will first authenticate. For authenticate, type 2, I type 2 and press enter. For demo, I made for time attendance, so I made this sub menu, that login, logout and close. I made only it's for demo purpose. I am going to embed this in OS only. I will remove this attendance system, but showing you a demo, I use this attendance system. So I am going to now login, so press 1 and click enter. Now camera is accessing. Now see, I am here. See, it's showing unknown face. See, it's showing unknown face. Sorry, please register. Sorry, please register. It's given a message to me that you register first. Your unknown face. This face is unknown to my system, so it's showing unknown face. It's showing please register. It's showing downside message. Let's see here. See, please register your up. Register you. It's showing unknown face. My face is not stored in the system, so it's showing unknown face. Now we will close it. Three for close, so type 3 and enter. Application now closing. Now application will close. Now we authenticate before only adding the user in my system. So it's shown me unknown person. It's give me message to register. So now I have to register. So for registering we have to go in a menu 1. So we have to type in menus for a new user. We have to type 1. So I typed 1 and enter. They're given some help that hit N on your keyboard, enter required information, hit the T of your keyboard. Means we have to follow these steps. After reading instruction, that is asking that you read all instruction or not. If you are read. If yes, then press 1. If no, then 0. Now I read all these 3. First we have to press N, then he will ask for information. We have to write those information. Then after giving information, we have to press T. I have read, I pressed 1, enter. Now camera is accessing. Now see, my face is there. It's showing in the face in the camera. Now what, before I read some steps, what he said, you have to press N. Now I will press N. See, after that the second step was you have to enter some information. So we will, this information is asking. Before only I said you that I made this demo software to show you for attendance. So for attendance system I am using for office, so I am giving that employee ID is employee ID 1, employee name Aditya, department IT, password, password is typed. Now telling that you have to asking that you have to save this information or not. Now yes, I have to save it. Now it's taking my data with Aditya name. Now its next step is we have to press T button. I press T button. Now their message is given that you got 76 eigenvector. My face photo is added in the system. Now we will see view record. In view record I added new user, means I added my photo in the system. So I using the PC algorithm for my project. In this Eigenface concept is there, Eigenface, Eigenvector. I will help you afterwards what these definitions of Eigenface and Eigenvectors. Now only you understand this how software is working. Now see in view records there are given number of eigenvector images 75. Now I given that face images, that 76 images are 76 images I given, and eigenvectors 75 eigenvectors images are there, means there is downside given the message you are successfully added in the system. Now before we authenticate I given the unknown person. Afterward I added using menu, I added my photo, I added my face to my system. Now again we authenticate, login, recognizing camera is accessing. Now see it's showing Aditya. Can you see it? First before it's showing unknown person, now it's showing Aditya. Now I register with my name with Aditya, and one is the employee ID, so that Aditya is showing and logged in successfully, means I get logged into my PC. And also you will have some question that I given my photo with my specs. If I remove my specs, then also it shows that this person is Aditya only. If I made different expression on my face, that like this, then also it will show that this is the same person Aditya who is logged in. Means in accident if anyone's face get damaged, then also he will be recognized with this system. Now see I am giving different expression. See I given different expression, then also it's showing Aditya. Now suppose my right cheek is damaged. So suppose now I put my hand here, then also it is recognizing that he is Aditya. Means there is no, if I change my hairstyle, No effect. It's just showing that Aditya is there. So it's a face recognition software which is made by me, and there is accuracy is 83, 80%. It's showing here 84, 83, 81, 82, 83, 84. It's changing. Means I using this PC algorithm. In this we get accuracy of 80 to 95%. Means 80 to 95% these people get recognized. Now understood how to execute my project. Now we will exit my project. Thank you. Application is closing. Thank you. Like this my application is get executed. Like this my project is get executed. I used PCA algorithm. In this Eigenvector, Eigenface concept is there. If you want any help, I will help you. My email ID is developfirstindia@gmail.com. Spell it DEVELOPE numeric 1 STINDIA@gmail.com. You can mail me if you want any help about this face recognition system. I will definitely help you. But if you want this my own code, then you have to there are terms and conditions are there. But if you want any help, I will provide you. And if anyone want to know how software works, if he taken this project and he don't know how to execute, I will definitely help you. And this is the source code. This is source code. It's my project. If you like, comment on my this project. Thank you.